Hello, little readers. Are you ready to level up your reading skills? Today, we will practice sentences that start with the word the. Let's begin. The sky is blue. Let's read it again. The sky is blue. Now, you give it a try. Awesome. The sun is hot. Let's read it again. The sun is hot. Now, you give it a try by yourself. Great job. The moon is white. Let's read it again. The moon is white. Now it's your turn. Awesome. The moon is bright. Let's read again together. The moon is bright. Now, you give it a try. Great job. Great job. Remember to keep practicing. I'll see you later.